पूर्वांचल लैमिनेट्स, वो घर जो आपके सपनों को सच बनाए। पूर्वांचल लैमिनेट्स, घर सजाए साथ निभाए। Rooted in the tradition of innovation and compassion with the dream of making a new India. Quality is our promise. Purbanchal Laminates Private Limited is proud of the legacy of finest quality laminates since 2004. A dream of late Shri B.L. Agrawal, Purbanchal Laminates forayed in manufacturing Amul plywood, Amulya mica and Amulya WPC. Purbanchal Laminates and Amul Boards Private Limited are like the proverbial pillars. Under their aegis, we have diversified our management through 6 companies. Landmark Veneers Private Limited, Purbanchal Veneers Private Limited, Purbanchal Lumbers Private Limited, Salasar Plywood Private Limited, Surface Concept Private Limited, and our newest venture, Purbanchal Composite Panel India Private Limited. Following the footsteps of Chairman Shri Om Prakash Agrawal, Purbanchal Laminates have left behind the glorious history of producing more than 600 designs and 90 finishes like suede, matte, glossy and textured. Mr. Rakesh Agrawal, the managing director of the company, established the base at the port city of Gandhidham in Kutch district for exploring the newer frontiers of the laminate industry. And along with plywood, block boards and flush doors, Purbanchal Laminates started manufacturing high-pressure decorative laminate and WPC and PVC bending laminates for interior and exterior decoration. Our vision is to reach out to the world and provide the epitome quality solutions and to be the top brand for interior and exterior surface product fields while being careful about natural resources. Purbanchal Laminates Managing Director Mr. Rakesh Agrawal has been awarded Bharat Udyog Ratna, Udyog Bharati Award 2006 and Quality Excellence Award by All India Business and Community Foundation, New Delhi. Mr. Rakesh Agrawal, Mr. Mukesh Agrawal and Mr. G.L. Dokania together form the rock-solid leadership for Purbanchal Laminates. With able leadership of the Board of Directors, the total turnover of the group companies has now crossed 250 crores. This is the result of the trust and goodwill that our brand Amul, Saket, Hercules, Amulya Mica, Amulya Digilam and Amulya WPC enjoys. Our mission is to bring on the best quality products and offer robust services while utilizing the latest technological advancements and innovations from across the world, and while catering our patrons with supreme standards, still be rooted to ethical practices, environment conservation and social responsibility. Amulya Mica, Purbanchal Laminates Private Limited's Amulya Mica has been awarded with 16th Green Tech Environment Award 2015 by Green Tech Foundation for Outstanding Environment Management. Amulya Mica designs the laminates to make the world more beautiful, which fits in everyone's lifestyle and at the same time remains resistant to surface wear and tear. With a 7-year warranty, we are sure about Amulya Mica's longer lifespan and amazingly low maintenance cost. Utilizing imported design papers like Chiyoda to Technocell to Decotech, Purbanchal Laminates has excelled in offering quality and durability at the same time. The laminate is produced by the modified technology of impregnation of kraft paper, base paper and overlay tissue, which allows us to reduce the use of resin and which is energy efficient too. The impregnated base paper and overlay tissue are sorted in air conditioning room under specific climate conditions. The materials are then assembled depending on the thickness required and kept under mold plates. The assembly is then placed in a multi-platen hydraulic press for the curing cycle. And after that, they are cut into standard sizes. The backside is roughened by using sanding machine and final laminates are graded as per their quality. To identify finish and design number, the sheets are marked and labeled. To protect the surface of the laminate sheet, wrapping is always done using the wrapping machine. They are also manually wrapped using paper. The laminate sheets are stacked and stored. Ready to dispatch through containers. Where the colors define culture, Amulya Mica laminates are classified and marketed through the range of 8 different products. Amulya 800 is the laminate which is 0.8 mm thick and is made with a core of same decor paper as on the surface. Amulya 800 gives an aesthetic look and feel even to the edges of the laminate sheets. Amulya Truly Classy and Glossy 1 mm thick laminates are crafted with imported high quality craft paper with low ash content. It is 100% resistant from attacks of termite, borer and fungus. 7 Wonders range of Amulya Mica laminates consist of 1.25 mm thick laminates, which comes in exclusive premier decor designs procured from Chiyoda Corporation. Purbanchal Laminates has the exclusive marketing rights for the Southeast Asia region for the same. Amulya Plus range of Amulya Mica laminates is made from specially formulated resins, selective decor and craft paper and very high glossy press plates. Tough and Scuff Amulya Plus is resistant to scuff, mar and scratches. Amulya Cladding HPL exterior grade laminates is made from high quality craft and imported European decorative paper. Amulya Cladding comes with high UV, high color retention property and weather and fire resistant quality. Amulya Cladding comes with the never before in the industry 10 years warranty. Our landmark achievement is the Amulya Synchronized Laminate, which is 1.25 mm thick, which gives feeling like natural wood. It efficiently saves the environment as it saves the tree cutting while maintaining the real look of natural veneer. Amulya Mica has launched digital laminate under the Amulya Digilam range, which is 1.25 mm thick, first of its kind in the panel trade in India. Amulya Digital Laminate is useful in creating quality furniture, business office partition, panel makeshift ceilings and domestic interiors. Amulya Mica also markets Amulya Door Guard, the door size laminates. This range of Amulya laminates consists of customized designs that gives soothing feel and aesthetic look to doors and wardrobes. Amul Board Amul boards and plywood consist of the amazing range products like BWP, BWR plyboards, block boards, flexi plywood, fire retardant plywood and laminated flush doors which are marketed under the brand name Amul Platinum, Amul Plywood Gold, Hercules, Amul Plywood and Saket Plywood. At our world-class manufacturing plant, the range of quality blockboard plywood is manufactured with the highest standards. A plywood sheet is manufactured by binding together the thin layers of hardwood and softwood with adhesive resin. Selected tree trunks are cut to standard length and are stacked in pound, known as log decks. After passing through debarking machines, the logs are cut by circular saw into sections of 2.5 to 2.6 meter for preparing boards. The timber is then seasoned in the clinch chamber to remove moisture content for a good finish. The seasoned timber is then cut into specific dimensions using rip saw machine and frame saw machine. These solid lumber pieces are joined edge to edge to form a very thick composite plywood, which is finished with a plywood veneer face. To peel the veneer from peeler blocks, they are steamed and soaked to soften the wood. The blocks are loaded and aligned on the peeler lathe machine for rounding the timber. The blade peels a continuous sheet of veneer from the surface of spinning blocks. The veneer is checked for defects and it is cut into standard sizes sheets for sorting according to grade and stacking. The veneer is then dried in the drying section, which removes moisture and shrinks them. Additional veneer is spliced and taped. The veneer is then laid down and glued by the glue spreader machine. On the assembly table, thicker layers are assembled on one another with face veneer on both sides. The whole sheet is put in between two aluminium plates and that is sent to the hot press. The rough sheets cut into uniform sizes and are passed through the belt sanders, which sands both front and back sides. The defects are checked again and the sheets are graded according to the quality. The sheets are subjected to CCB dipping and side sanding after trimming them to required sizes, and the final sheets are inspected for quality, labeled and dispatched. The Amul boards and plywood are useful in wide range of products like flush doors, furniture, woodwork objects and construction material. Amulya WPC. Amulya is the first company in India to make in-house lead-free 90-degree bending PVC laminate in the organized sector. Purbanchal Laminates markets Amulya WPC lead-free foam boards, Amulya PVC lead-free foam boards, Amulya PVC laminates with 90-degree bending quality with termite-proof, non-porous and waterproof, recyclable, eco-friendly, scratch and solvent-resistant and flame-retardant properties. Amulya WPC is totally free from the harmful metal lead, which damages health and causes cancer. Lead-free is a compulsory precondition for export, and consciousness toward lead-free is going momentum in India very fast. Amulya WPC is formulated with optimum density to make them strong yet light in weight. Marching ahead with the technology, Purbanchal Laminates has introduced the Smart Kiosk and the first of its kind mobile and tablet application. You can drag and drop and visualize the product in a virtual environment and compare different shades and interior with just a touch. You can also easily save, email, print and share the images too. But along with the mobile app, Purbanchal Laminates also releases the furniture book titled Amulya Mica Designer's Book and Amulya Times to keep the fellow industry updated about the latest trends and technology. We are exporting to more than 20 countries including USA, UK, UAE, Singapore and Malaysia. And recognizing our achievements in exports, the Ministry of Commerce Government of India has recently awarded Purbanchal Laminates with the status of Star Export House. After making our mark overseas in Bangkok, Dubai, Malaysia, Phuket, Bali, Hong Kong and Singapore, we are taking our initiative to the major cities around the world in coming years. A Government of India recognized export house, Purbanchal Laminates is now India's most trusted brand, Power Brand Rising Star, Singapore Green Label certified, USA Green Guard and CE certified, and ISO 14001, ISO 9001 and OHSAS 18001 certified company. Purbanchal Laminates is not just about scaling business to new heights. Corporate social responsibility is also the core concern of the organization. Supporting the central government's visionary initiative of Clean India movement, Purbanchal Laminates have constructed toilet blocks in Vidhi village and Bhimasar Gaon in Anjar area of Kutch district. And our crusade would still continue in the future too. For people from economically weaker section, Purbanchal Laminates has pledged to provide financial assistance to build one house every month for the next 100 months. In association with Matra Vandana Charitable Trust, we have established primary school at village Yashodadan in Kutch. With the help of NGOs like Give India and Grow Trees Foundation, Purbanchal Laminates has carried out tree plantation initiative at Jodhpur, Rajasthan, Dwarika and Sundarban in West Bengal. And we are committed to plant 1 lakh trees in next 5 years. Being founder member of the Ramakrishna Seva Samiti, Gandhidham, Gujarat, Mr. Rakesh Agrawal has been instrumental in construction of 100-bed hospital. Purbanchal Laminates has given a hefty financial assistance to build the Sterling Ramkrishna Speciality Hospital, Gandhidham, Kutch, Gujarat. Purbanchal Laminates is proactively active for better health and education in India. A contribution towards Arya Samaj, Lok Kalyan Samiti, Nirma Institute of Technology, Blind Men Care Rally 2016 and Smile Foundation. We are the strength and longevity of our interior. We bring the patterns that are heavenly beautiful, and the smile on your loved one's face is all we crave. We are Purbanchal Laminates. Please visit our website www.amulyamaika.com and www.amulboards.com, or you can also walk into our corporate office at 101-102 First Floor, Goyal Avenue, plot number 1308, Ward number 12B, opposite LIC block in Gandhidham city of Kutch district, Gujarat. Amulya Maika, Ghar Sajaye, Saath Nibaye.